And I'm back. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put on these Yeber coveralls, these disposable coveralls. And we got a little job up in the garage to do. It's to do with a squirrel. And you'll see what it is. There's squirrels have made a nest in a cardboard box in the rafters of this old garage. And it's been there for a while, but I thought it was kind of a dead nest. And then I've been noticing an odor in there. And when I go in there, actually, I don't go in there that often, but when I go in there now, there's something in the air. It makes me cough. So I don't know what they've got dragged into that thing. So I'm going to get kitted up. I'm going to wear a mask. And I'm going to pull that thing out of there. I'm going to poke it with a stick first, make sure there's nothing alive in it, because I don't know, they might have a nest in there. Then, I don't know what to do with it. But I'm going to pull it down out of there anyway. We're going to bag it up and get rid of it and hopefully air that place out a bit. But yeah, something about it. It's this is another thing that Mike from Grampie's workshop would like. Mike, I'll put his link in the description there. But he's down in Nova Scotia, and he loves squirrels, and he'd know what to do. He's got all kinds of things made for them. He's got little nest boxes and stuff made in his shop, special for squirrels, apparently. He says differently sometimes, but I know, deep down in my heart, I can see it in his eyes when he talks about squirrels that he really likes squirrels. Anyway, yeah, they're quite destructive. They can be quite destructive. So anyway, whatever this odor is, I don't know, it's not really an odor. It's more of a dusty thing. I don't know what it is. So maybe it's not even that, but I know for sure that there's this squirrel's nest in the box up there. So let's go get kitted up in the Yebers here and go in there and see what we can find. Okay, so it's quite a get up here, but let's see if I can get this on. I had to take my boots off to put these on. That's snappy looking, isn't it? Huh? Look at that. I'm gonna put my boots back on. Get my mask on. It's just an awful dusty odor or whatever it is. Okay. You see all this? That's where they are. Okay, I'm going to poke at it and see if there's something in there. What could I poke at it with? There's a broom. Listen here. I don't know what that is up there. I tell you why I'm kitted up. I cleaned out an old garage out west about 20 years ago, and there was a box up like that in the rafters, just like this, and I just pushed it with a stick and I knocked it down, and what it was a box of powdered asbestos. The old guy that had owned the shop had used it, mixed it with mortar and patched his stove with it. And there it was. So the minute it dropped and I saw what it was, I ran out of there. And it was a whole process. It took me a couple of days, to wet everything down and to deal with it. Okay, I don't think there's any movement up there. Oh. Yeah. Uh-oh. Bloody heavy, whatever it is. Oh.
Look at that. Definitely bloody heavy, whatever's in it. Something in the bottom of the box. Asphalt shingle. Whatever it is, it's going in the garbage. I see another box up here. What the hell's that? What is in that, I wonder? What is in that? It's heavy. Another nest, look. I don't know. We get the bag. Okay. I think there's probably something in the bottom of the box, like tools or parts or something. Let's see. Oh man, they had it full. Nails. Look at this. 12-inch spikes in this box. Probably worth saving the spikes. An old cartoon. Look at this. It's a comic book. It's the Archies.